10 years. Koguo ena pension ya bunge. Araheirwo pension ya bunge. Ruona akiuma minister kwa that 1% ya gratuity, but still ni ekwendelea kuheo pension yake ta a former speaker who served 2 terms.
No gukoretwo na ciuria cia gitumi gĩa guthukira a ministaria mafutwo iturwa ingi ta cia mabarothi Aisha ikuhe guthukirwo iturwa ici ari uria wari minister wa ugima wa mwiri Susan Nakhumicha ta murugamiriri ruhongeni rwa UN Habitat mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya mathako Peter Tum mucini wa Kinshasa bururi-ini wa Congo gatagati kagi iturwa ciaya igiuka na garama yacio
agikorwo kitumi gia gufuta mundu ni incompetence ndoketi uria ahetwo ri then kiuria kiria akenya mangiuria ni riri karige giki eka thutha wa gufutwo wira ri gituma akorwo incompetent andu ani amwe andu aria managa mushara munene muno mena mushara wa diplomatic salary mena allowances mena house allowances
ni undu wa wira uria marutite koguo Mutababu na Mwamba arutite wira miaka 2 na nuthu koguo ni aheirwo gratuity ya about 4 million na immediately aheo gratuity yo aka-appointwo wira ungi koguo ri ona retirement package yake ri no ku accumulate
na ona thengia mogaruruku maya mahinda kwa mahinda Kenya igi no mathiete na mbere gwikirira ucuke maria ndudu ya minister ihotete kuhingia ari miaka 2 na nuthu thutha wa Kenya Kwanza kuingira wathani-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.
Kabuni ya Java unyitanirine na ikundi itiganite ni marugoretie mubango wa uhandi wa mite 6000 mathukuru-ini 14 kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Mubango wa mbere wa uhandi wa mite no urugoririo thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Maguo Limuru kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Makiaria thutha wa mihango ino arugamireria ikundi ici ni maugite ati itanya ria mubango uyu ni kuhura njeki mubango wa thirikari wa kuhanda mite bilioni 15 gukinyeria mwaka wa 2032.
So for us, trees really do help in terms of the catchment areas. Right now we are in planting season, it's raining, we are thanking God for that, but we have to be able to leave a better future for the guys who are coming after us. So for us being able to plant trees here, some trees, what we are talking about, trees that will last over 100 years, is for us playing it forward, and even for the future farmer to find a situation where they can be able to plant and be able to have favorable.
So 100 years from today, there will always be a Java tree here in Manguo and in all the other schools that we're planting. And that's really our overall goal, that as Java, we not only are known for the great food and service that we provide, but we're also known for ensuring that there's an environment for the future Java customer.
And basically, as we turn waste into energy, we're also looking for every opportunity locally to see to it that we also plant trees. It is key. You know, when our young ones grow in these institutions full of trees, they're able to get the shade. We're talking about climate, we're talking about sustainability matters, we're talking about keeping our area green.
I think for us it is bigger than just, trees today. It is looking at what we are setting up the future for. We feed the future, and for that we have to depend on trees at some point. So it is basically setting up the next generation to ensure that we will still be here, we will still be feeding the future, and there will be trees that will enable us to access that food.
Na riu ni ihinda riega mwiroreri wa Kameme TV ria kwamba guikiria ro ringi niguo tugicokereria tukumenyithie na ku iharo-ini maundu makihana atia tucemanie mwena uria ungi wa studio.